Vacuuming is a core important daily housekeeping task that a professional housekeeper should master. It should be done with long, calm, intentional strokes that cover the whole area evenly. In this video, we'll show you some common mistakes and the clear sequence and technique that create an efficient, refined finish. When working in a room or an area, begin with long diagonal passes that travel from right to left or left to right. This creates a smooth, continuous pattern that covers the entire upper section of the room. Once the top section is complete, move down to the row below and repeat the same calm, horizontal pattern for full, even coverage, and then continue doing so until the room is done. Here, the movements are unfocused and a bit haphazard, without direction, areas are missed, and others are repeated unnecessarily. Here you see the opposite, clear, intentional strokes that create a smooth rhythm and ensure every section is reached with purpose. Now, these strokes are too short. Choppy movements limit coverage and make the work less effective. These are long, confident passes that allow the vacuum to work properly and create an even, refined finish. In this video, the same spot is worked again and again. Unnecessary repeated passes waste time without improving the result. In contrast, full even coverage ensures every part of the floor is addressed without gaps or repetition. Consistent, extended strokes bring calm efficiency to the movement and help maintain a clear cleaning pattern. So a steady directional flow keeps the vacuuming controlled and methodical, ensuring a polished final result.